Hey guys, me hanging photo. Today, I will show you a part of this. This is my action figure. There, see it, see it, see. You know, and this is Dateline. And Dateline. Dateline. And the whole guy here. Yes. And I got option. And I'm gonna change that. Lalang. And I got another box. Oh, okay. I'm gonna Tapos may cellphone pa ako lang. Tapos ito ay nag-video sa atin. Hi! Di ka naman mag-video eh. Tapos nagsasalita. This size. Hey, nahulog pa cellphone ko eh. Hindi na ko naman siya. Grabe kasi. Oh, wala na ka ba? Excuse me po. Excuse me po. Excuse me po. Ano po? Pwede po ba magpaalaga ng baby? Pwede po. Oh, sige po. Who do you think are those guys? Pangalan ko, ano? Atin dapat may papel ka, tapos doon isusulat yung pangalan ng baby. So guys, atin natin yung papel mo. Parang doon isusulat.